Hi friends, welcome to Close Book Channel. Hey there viewer, do you like USANG credit card? Today we will learn about credit card advantages and disadvantages of credit card. In today's video, we will be talking about credit card, you should be USANG credit card and more. Stay tuned until the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started. A credit card is a widely used financial tool that allows consumers to borrow funds from a financial institution up to a certain credit limit. It provides a convenient and efficient way to make purchases, both in person and online, without carrying cash. When used responsibly, credit cards offer numerous benefits, but they also come with potential drawbacks that require careful consideration. Advantages of credit cards. Convenience. Credit cards provide a convenient and secure method of payment for purchases, eliminating the need to carry cash. Purchase protection. Many credit cards offer buyer protection and dispute resolution services, safeguarding consumers against fraud and faulty products. Builds credit history. Responsible credit card usage helps individuals build a positive credit history, which is essential for future loans and financial opportunities. Rewards and perks. Credit cards often offer reward programs, including cashback, travel miles, or discounts, providing incentives for cardholders. Emergency funds. Credit cards can act as a financial safety net during emergencies when immediate cash is needed. Easy online shopping. Credit cards facilitate secure online transactions, making internet shopping convenient and safe. Travel benefits. Many credit cards offer travel-related perks like travel insurance, airport lounge access, and foreign transaction fee waivers. Credit score improvement. Responsible credit card use can improve credit scores, leading to better borrowing terms in the future. Record keeping. Credit card statements offer detailed records of expenses, simplifying budgeting and financial tracking. Grace period. Credit cards typically provide a grace period, allowing cardholders to avoid interest charges if the balance is paid in full each month. Disadvantages of credit cards. Debt accumulation. Careless use of credit cards can lead to excessive debt, high interest payments, and financial strain. Interest charges. Failing to pay the full balance results in interest charges, increasing the overall cost of purchases. Overspending. The ease of credit card use may encourage impulsive spending and difficulty sticking to a budget. Fees. Credit cards may have various fees, such as annual fees, late payment fees, and balance transfer fees. Identity theft and fraud. Credit cards are susceptible to identity theft and fraudulent activities, risking the cardholder's financial security. Credit score damage. Mismanagement of credit cards can lead to a damaged credit score and limited access to future credit. Temptation for big purchases. Having a high credit limit can tempt individuals to make large, unplanned purchases. Unnecessary subscriptions. Forgotten automatic payments for subscriptions can lead to unnecessary expenses. Hidden terms. Some credit cards may have hidden or complex terms and conditions that can catch cardholders off guard. Impersonal transactions. Credit cards lack the personal touch of cash transactions, leading to potential overspending. Conclusion. Credit cards can be valuable financial tools when used responsibly and judiciously. They offer convenience, protection, and numerous benefits, such as rewards and credit score improvement. However, they also come with potential pitfalls, including debt accumulation, interest charges, and the risk of identity theft. To make the most of credit cards, individuals should manage their spending, pay off balances in full, and stay informed about fees and terms. Responsible credit card usage can contribute to financial stability, while irresponsible usage can lead to financial hardships. It's essential for consumers to be mindful of their financial habits and make informed decisions to harness the benefits of credit cards effectively.